Have you ever thought about what the green factory of the future might look like? Welcome back to the Factory of the Future. In our fourth episode, we'll discuss the green factory. As we all know, sustainability is crucial in modern manufacturing, and CSI is committed to eco-friendly processes while maintaining efficiency and productivity. First things first, what is CSI's policy? Well, simple. To actively reduce the negative effects from all operations, from concept engineering through the entire life cycle of services and equipment. CSI collaborates with customers to help them achieve sustainability objectives in purchasing services and materials handling equipment. We have Remco Laux with us, product manager at CSI. So Remco, how can we make a green factory of the future reality?
It all starts with using less energy. CSI machinery features automatic switch on and off options and energy regeneration capabilities, significantly lowering power consumption. We are always improving products by eliminating the use of compressed air, which typically has a low energy efficiency and is costly.
And by doing so, CSI has reduced energy conversion losses and operational costs, using solar panels to minimize their environmental footprint. Because in a green factory, healthier products and less waste are key. By using better or less packaging material and designing machinery to use less energy, CSI helps clients achieve sustainability goals, benefiting both the environment and reducing costs. One of CSI's standout innovations is palletless palletising, minimizing packaging waste by stabilizing loads without wrapper foil, making the process more sustainable. Another critical aspect of the green factory is ergonomic equipment design.
We prioritize operator health by eliminating heavy lifting and ensuring user-friendly machines. This ergonomic approach reduces physical strain on operators and promotes healthier working conditions.
CSI's commitment to sustainability extends beyond operations, supporting the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. These goals guide their efforts to create a positive impact on society and the environment. In the next video, we'll explore the serviced factory, discussing the lifecycle services department and the services provided to maximize efficiency while minimizing environmental impact. As you can see, the green factory is about more than reducing the environmental impact. It's about creating healthier products, minimizing waste, and designing efficient, operator-friendly equipment. CSI's sustainable solutions lead to lower costs, improved employee well-being, and a greener planet. To learn more about how CSI can help you achieve your sustainability goals, get in touch. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next episode.